flood emergency for portions of Baldwin County, Alabama and the western Florida Panhandle. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, southeastern Escambia County in northwestern Florida, southwestern Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida, southwestern Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. At 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain in portions of Baldwin County, Alabama and the western Florida Panhandle. Up to 20 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for portions of Baldwin County, Alabama and the western Florida Panhandle. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Hurricane rain bands producing extremely heavy rain. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pensacola, Ferry Pass, Brent, West Pensacola, Wright, Fort Walton Beach, Ensley, Daphne, Warrington, Fairhope, Niceville, Gonzales, Gulf Shores, Eglin Air Force Base, Foley, Valparaiso, Gulf Breeze, Orange Beach, Spanish Fort and Goulding. We are now beginning to receive multiple reports of water rescues with water entering homes and businesses across the warned area. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Baldwin County Emergency Management Agency. Major to catastrophic flooding is occurring in Baldwin County and impacting many areas and roads. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Please do not travel on area roadways unless you have an emergency. Leave the roads clear for emergency personnel. If you must travel due to an emergency, never drive through a flooded roadway. Also be extremely cautious of debris that may be on the roads.